The IO was a lady, DYSP. Repeatedly, she started harassing this young lady, advocate. Very serious allegations where she has been stripped.
Who is stripped?
Stripped. Totally
been
stripped without the bra also. That is
Yeah,
what the sister says.
The IO.
The IO
has done that.
IO has done this.
They have removed her undergarments also. What is the investigating officer trying to achieve?
All I can,
Are you carrying cyanide and what is all this?
all I can say, my lord.
But this is a matter where a serious situation has arisen.
Pure by file ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ 306.
Yes, ಬಂದಿದೆ. Yes.
Yes. The victim here has committed in view of the
Which petition is that?
criminal petition
8640.
23.
86?
40.
8640.
ಅದು ಕೊಡಿವಿ.
This was a petition where
As far as I remember,
yes,
I permitted investigation to be
Yes.
continued and charge sheet not to be filed without the leave of the
yes,
court.
yes. But after that, what has happened? Rightfully so, Lord, because there were some public ramifications and public money involved. Your lordships had directed. After
Yes.
that, yes. After that, what has happened? The IO was a new IO came in September 23. The present
After my order.
yes,
No.
Lord.
Before the order,
A new IO had come. New IO had come. Then what happened? Repeatedly, she started harassing. The IO was a lady, DYSP. Repeatedly, she started harassing this young lady, Lord advocate.
Hmm.
In view of this, on
She was an accused in that.
she was an accused.
Accused number?
8.
Okay.
8.
Hmm.
But apparently, the main dispute is on a very narrow compass. But that I'll come later. Now, not what happened when she was going there regularly. There was insinuations, allegations made against her character, against her family, against her reputation, saying that you come from such a family, you are such a person, you are of a degraded character. Immediately, and she used to torture her. Immediately, what she did on 6/11, on the advice of her counsel, because she was his junior, Mr. Jeevan Kumar's junior. She was also an advocate.
Hmm.
She has filed wakalats also in his office. They say that she was not an advocate at all. That is what.
No,
some
we
of
didn't
it
say they
they
are an
said.
advocate, but we
She-
said
she
that there's
has
something
filed
else.
I'll get back.
Yes, the wakala.
I held you.
Yes. In the meantime, what happened? An affidavit came to be filed, dated 6/11, filed on 13/11 before
What affidavit?
this honorable court, Lord.
narrating
An
all the
affidavit
allegations.
narrating all the allegations.
Affidavit.
This
ಈಗ
is the affidavit filed by the
Jeeva,
deceased.
Jeeva, yes, is the advocate who's committed
Yes,
suicide.
who committed. She is the one. But here, kindly see, Lord, paragraph 3. From 3 it starts. She seems to narrate gives a clear picture of this harassment and torture up to that date. Shall I read, Lord?
Yes, yes.
From para 2. On 26/9/2000, the Sound Court directed the investigating officer to continue the investigation, submit a progress report by 30/10/24. I am fully committed to cooperating with this process and ensuring that the investigation is conducted fairly and transparently. I state that I have been involved in the investigation process for the past 1.6 years, through which I have provided my statements and documents to the previous investigating officer, Shri A.D. Nagaraj and Muhammad Rafi. I have been verbally summoned without formal notice and have appeared on the following dates, 15th and 24th October. My consistent adherence to these summons intimation demonstrates my commitment to cooperating with the authorities throughout the investigation on the said following.
Sister is also an accused.
Sister is not an accused. Lord.
She's also an accused.
Is that?
All right, yes.
Yes.
She was not an accused on that day.
On that day,
She
it
was not
appears.
All right,
Right.
yes. Hmm.
Then Lord, on 9/10/24, accused number 7, that is Yashaswini, by the instructions of the IO, informed me to appear before the IO as per the High Court order dated 26/9/2024. Following this, I appeared before the IO on 15/10/24. During this session, the IO posed personal and inappropriate questions, such as inquiring if an individual name is my father, which was harassing and irrelevant. Although I had already provided all necessary documents and statements to the previous IO, the current IO continued to ask questions regarding my family background and integrity, which I believe were intended to insult and malign my character. As per the accused number 7 mentioned that to collect the documents from the previous IO to collect the documents regarding so and so. I visited the previous IO and so and so. I was asked by the IO about me and my sister's living arrangements in a manner that was inappropriate and harsh on 15th of October. I gave the documents but IO told me to collect the documents was given to previous IO. I stated that on 24th October, I presented before
This
the IO.
is affidavit is dated 6/11/2024.
Yes, but actually filed on 13/11.
What is the date of death?
Date of death is
22nd.
22nd March.
22nd November.
22nd. Yes. I state that one. So, my lord, she
Okay.
narrates all the issues of these harassment. 13.1, Lord. I'll just take your lordship's
Hmm.
attention. I state that throughout my appearance, IO has posed irrelevant and personal questions seemingly designed to assassinate my character and tarnish my family's reputation. Such questions are improper and I have caused. Now, my lord, this was one stage, pre-affidavit stage. After this affidavit was filed in 1311, that is when there is a sudden escalation in the harassment and torture.
Where do you get that?
That, my lord, in the death
Death note.
note, which
Yes,
is
death
of 11 pages death note.
Death note is, yeah?
I have.
Sorry.
Very serious allegations where she has been stripped,
Who is stripped?
totally
been
stripped without the bra also. That is
Yeah,
what the sister says.
The IO.
The IO
IO
has,
has done that.
IO has done this. Stripped,
That's in the death note?
that's in the death.
The other petitioner in the other petition has also been stripped. In that regard also, I'll file an affidavit.
And the very inhuman incidents that have occurred. And it appears, my lord, she has signed the death note every page, given the page number. That's what 11 pages death note.
Yes, Jagdish.
Yes, ma'am.
You have removed her undergarments also. What is the investigating officer trying to achieve?
All I can,
Are you carrying cyanide and tell what is all this?
all I can say, my lord.
Huh?
All I can say, my lord, we have made an allegation against them before this court in the last date of hearing.
They are not cooperating.
They are
with
not
you.
cooperative. One. Second, even though we have not asked them, they have come to the CID office and taken a passes to enter into CID office and remain in CID office without meeting IO has gone back.
Hmm.
And thereafter, my lord, entire videograph after pursuant to your lordship direction, we have recorded the entire investigation, interrogation with them.
Hmm.
All these things are there. But I must say, my lord, the allegation which they're making, that now there is an allegation, my lord, we have to meet that allegation.
There is an allegation.
There is an allegation which we have to meet.
The allegation is very serious.
Very serious. We'll have to.
How can you strip a lady?
It is.
For what
I say, my
reason?
lord. I say, my lord.
Your allegation, you're investigating into corruption or corruption charges against someone or money swindling or misappropriation, whatever it is. What has the carrying of cyanide to do
No,
with
there is no way we have removed our clothes or normal frisking because
What normal frisking?
it's in case if they're
What is normal frisking? What
in
do you
case
mean
if
by
they're
normal
carrying in case if they're carrying anything else to
What?
maybe weapons, maybe instrument.
Weapons where? Into what
Normally we
office?
frisk
Into
everybody.
what office?
No, we,
Sir,
that's all it's been done.
frisking is okay. See, what is
All
narrated
these
is
things,
something else.
all these things have been told, my lord, is not been done. All these things have been told is not been done. May I make one submission, my lord? Your
So
lordship
why
may take.
would, see, this is,
Fair enough, my lord.
this is prior to the death. Why
Yes,
would
ma'am.
someone simply say
Fair
that?
enough, my lord.
Yeah.
Your lordship may take the petition for 8640. My lord. For a moment, your lordship may take this petition.
Hmm.
Why all these things been made now?
Who is the IO?
One Kanakalakshmi,
DYSP?
DYS. You take this, your lordship may take this petition. Your lordship may see your lordship may see the IA affidavit filed by the petitioner at page number 55.
As the hearing continued, the court examined a deeply troubling case involving a practicing advocate who allegedly faced sustained harassment and pressure during an investigation, ultimately leading to their suicide. During the proceedings, the court reviewed an application filed by the deceased before their death, detailing the alleged sequence of harassment and the pressure they claimed to have faced. Counsel for the petitioner also made serious allegations that when the advocate visited the office of a police inspector, they were allegedly forced to remove all their clothes in the name of inspection before being allowed to enter the premises. The court was informed that the deceased had been cooperating with the investigation and complying with the previous court direction in an effort to ensure a fair process. Given the seriousness of the allegations and the extensive facts involved, this matter was argued at length before the court. We will be covering every important detail of this proceedings in a multi-part series. Stay tuned.